Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying you have the essentials: enough storage and a current iPad iOS. Tap App Store, search Gmail, and install. Once installed, open the app. If you prefer the built-in Mail app, go to Settings, Mail Accounts, Add Account Google. Enter your Google email and password when prompted, because signing in connects your messages and contacts. Make sure two-step verification is ready if your account uses it, as that will prompt an extra verification step. Once signed in, you need to give Gmail permission to sync mail, contacts, and calendars so everything appears correctly. In the Gmail app, tap the menu, then Settings, choose your account, and set notifications to your preference: instant, high priority, or none, because that controls how you get alerts. Next, customize swipe actions and inbox type: default, important first, or priority. Finally, enable background app refresh in iPad settings so new messages. To finish, compose and send a quick test email to yourself to confirm send and receive work. If messages don't sync, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is connected, then force close Gmail and reopen it. Once done, try toggling the account off and on in settings. If authentication fails, re-enter your password or remove and re-add the Google account because tokens can expire. And if push still lags, update the Gmail app. That often resolves odd bugs or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.